Turkey helps Ukraine. Turkish sent to Ukraine another Bayraktar TB2s. Another batch of Turkish Bayraktar TB2s has been sent to Ukraine. A few hours ago, a heavy military transport aircraft and .124-100 of a Ukrainian airline landed at the airport in the Polish city of Rzeszow. The plane took off from the Turkish city of Tekirdağ, where, according to the Telegram channel, Hunters notes, it could be loaded with a batch of weapons for the armed forces of Ukraine. In particular, there is quite a lot of confidence that we are talking about a new batch of Bayraktar TB2 attack drones. The heavy transport aircraft and 124-100 of the Ukrainian airline Antonov arrived from the Turkish city of Tekirdağ, where the production of UAVs is located, to Polish Rzeszow. On board, with a high probability, there is a new delivery of Bayraktar TB2 attack drones for the armed forces of Ukraine. They can be delivered to the territory of Ukraine from Poland by road.